Alright, well, welcome back. So this next video, we're going to start working on the striking with the Assegai, the short Assegai. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, so that we have a common language, we're going to use a numbering system from Lamenco. I got this from Sifu Ron Balicki. I like this numbering system for the Assegai. There's lots of numbering systems out there in Kali. I just like this one because it fits for, it works really well with the Assegai, and you'll see that here in a second. So what I'm going to use is this machete so that you can just see the striking pattern itself, the numbering system, and then we'll move to the Assegai after that. So here's the basics. So it starts from the right shoulder. This is 1 and comes back up 2 along the same line. And it goes up, 3, 4. 5 is a thrust, and then now 6 is the belly. 7 is the belly again, just coming back from the opposite side. Now 8 and 9 is a thrust to a cut. 10 and 11. It's the same thing on the other side, and then back down for the 12 strike. So one more time again. So this is the thing I like about this numbering system for the Assegai, and you'll see it, is it comes back along the same line. Typically the 1 and 2 go like that. That's the numbering system you'll see most often. But this numbering system is actually pretty cool because it works with this, and you'll see it here in a second. But here we go again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. So now if we pick up the Assegai, the first series is just using your right hand, and now we're going to use the primary edge. If you remember the edge, this is the primary, this is the secondary, the one that's facing you, and the point. But start with the numbering system. If I cut down, I can use it single hand or double hand, doesn't matter. But I'm going to use 1, and now I'm going to come back along that 2, 3, using all primary edge. 4, 5 using the point, 6, turn it, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. Here's the great thing. Now I can use the secondary edge on all this. So before I cut this way, I can actually cut that way, 1, and now I can come back up 2. Secondary edge 3, 4, 5. Secondary edge 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then now 12, using that secondary edge on the back line. That's why I like it. Here's the thing, is you can now combine the primary edge and the secondary edge. So now watch it. 1, come back along the same line using the secondary, and this actually fits better. 2, 3, 4, see it? 5, and now I can go 6, 7, or 6, 7 just like this, or I can use secondary edge, primary edge, or start primary, come back secondary, or start secondary and come back primary. That's why it's pretty cool. And then now 8 and 9, 10 and 11, and then now I can come back 1, secondary edge, primary edge. It's pretty cool. So that's kind of the advantage of having this numbering system. So that's the first lesson, is this numbering pattern and using the primary edge and the secondary edge and then combining the two. Try that out.